Ang init man ito.
Lilim, open ka.
Hindi nga pwede. Mamaya na. Mamaya.
Oo. Pero Del, ano, palim lang ang mukha mo. Del, yung mukha mo, ipakita mo.
Patulgon kayo, guys.
Ubusin ko na to. Pakita mo
Dako
daw
na
ang ulo mo.
Dako kay kung ulo, maragulog ko.
Yung ulo mo, pakita mo daw.
Bisaya lagi mo.
Yan, pakita mo yung ulo.
Yan.
Mo.
Hindi yung TikTok.
Taga-buhol ko. Basta mo.
Puto.
Ready na kayo. Happy birthday, Ate Abe.
Puto, yung kumikita. Kumikita.
Birthday.
Naglalag. O ano, Jaisel? Umpisahan mo na, kanta.
Happy birthday po.
to you.
Happy birthday.
Ate
Ayun,
Abby.
wala na yung tugtog. Game na.
Pero wait lang, naglalag ako dito. Palit ako. Mag-iPhone ako. Wait lang.
Siya naman yung may problema.
Happy na birthday pa.
Ang lag ni ano, na Popo. Nakakainis. Para tayo mga robot, oh.
Mga malag. Labing lag ngayon.
Ate Abe, taas mo yung ano mo, yung happy birthday mo, nakatapat yung mukha mo.
Ay, may baby si
Oo
Jason.
nga, nakaharang.
Ikaw yung may birthday mo, ikaw yung may takatang mukha. Habol sa mami niya eh. Jason!
Follow the host, follow the
Pwede
host.
na.
Follow the host, follow the horse, follow the horse. Kailan ka nagkaanak?
Horse.
Follow the
Yung
horse.
anak niya, follow the horse daw.
Sabi mo, wala pa akong apo, meron na pa niya. Akin, anak sa pagkadalaga. Ang sexy niya, no? May pachan.
Dapat kasi hindi yan pinaano lahat.
Iko, mangkog agtang, maulaw ko.
Oo, ay matapa doon.
Pinapapa na daw. Hindi ko alam kung anong buong gusto.
Ano daw sa baba na ako, Ate Abby? Ano yun?
Follow the goat.
Naka-close ka.
Follow the goat. Follow the goat. Me.
Follow the goat.
Ako na, babagsak ko na.
Okay.
Lang.
Ready, get set, go.
Ready na. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday.
Bird. Yung music.
Sabi, share mo. Ay,
Na.
follow the goat.
Happy birthday.
Yeah. Yan na siya.
Gamble and
Happy birthday.
follow the guys.
Happy birthday to you. Ano, pati yung ano ko, rumble ko nagdala.
Oh, yo, happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday to you.
Happy
Birthday, ate.
Balik ka lang ka ba?
Birthday, Ate. Thank you, guys.
Balik ka lang ka ba?
Follow the
Happy
host.
birthday to you. Pag-asa ng tugtog.
Wala bang pa music yan? Wala din yung music ko eh.
Mahina pa, Kams. Mahina.
Hindi rin.
Wait na lang mag-play.
Follow the
Thank you,
host.
guys.
Rumble.
Dalaga. Happy birthday.
Ganito si Fidel magkumanta ko.
Happy birthday, ate.
Ganito Sino yun? Happy birthday to you.
Birthday.
May ulat ang lobo. May ulat ang... Ayan na, bumutok.
Birthday.
Birthday, ate. Ganda.
Screenshot nyo, ha? Ay, screen record. Wait lang.
Hindi ko makita.
pa si Redel Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
Follow the host, follow the host.
Follow the host. Gamble, gamble. Big win, big win.
Follow the host, si Ate Gidig-Gidig.
Ang tawag dyan? Nagahang.
Follow the host, gamble, gamble, big win.
Nagbagsak ulit akong fireworks.
Bunso, halika lang muna bunso.
Nagahang.
Nawala sa isip ko.
Win big, win big. Follow the host. Follow all, follow all.
Follow the host, guys.
Follow all.
Gamble,
Ayan kung meron pa.
gamble.
Win big, gamble, gamble.
Gamble, 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 guys.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Tulungan mo ako, Jason. Happy birthday to you. Oh, yan.
Forever inside my heart you will share whenever walang forever you ever
Wala daw forever sa mundo!
we've had a fun and we've made mistakes. But who'd have guessed along that road we'll learn to give and take, give so much more that I could have dreamed. Should be loving you so easy for me. There is no one in this world who can love me like you do. That is the reasons that I wanna share forever with you. I'm totally apart, girl. I just want you to know that live with never. This is the word for love, but everything goes to rain. But if we love each other, we won't go cut away. So put your time aside, do what it takes to make it right. 'Cause I love you forever, no one can tear us apart. Awesome. I'll be loving you forever, forever. Deep inside my heart you live whenever. You took my heart and tore it apart, girl. I will love you still forever. I just want you to know that I can't sleep, I can't breathe We never run without you. When we walk, I stand tall. When I talk, I only talk about you. You talk my heart, tore it apart, girl. I saw never run without. Okay, Jace, halika naman, Jace. Agay mo na ako. Yan. Only reminds me of you.
Nakanta ulit ako. Nasusuka na si Ate Hazel eh. Nasusuka na. Naawa naman ako. Baka sumakit yung dibdib kakasuka eh. Ngongo na, ngongo. And you left without even saying that you're leaving. I was sad, and it really won't be easy to forget yesterday. And afraid that you would stay, but then you're gone and oh so far away. I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of forever broken. I have learned to live my life beside you. Maybe I just dream of you tonight. And look into my day, you come and touch me once again. I just keep on dreaming, feel my heart explode.